Hey everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Cooking with Chow. It is your favorite girl in the world, don't lie because I know it's true, Miss Christina Chow. Today we are going to be showing you one of my favorite childhood items growing up. We will be making Nepalese Momos. Okay, so if you guys don't know what a momo is a Nepalese style of dumpling. And it actually originated in Tibet, but it has traveled its way in history all the way to Nepal. And now it is one of Nepal's most iconic dishes ever. Yes, I was allowed to say iconic there, AJ, okay? Because it truly is iconic. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make that today. So let's start with the ingredients. What we're going to be using today is some ground chicken. You can make this with turkey, pork, beef. My favorite is either chicken or pork, but you know, it is hot girl summer, so we're gonna be using some ground chicken instead. Ground chicken, we're going to add some tomatoes in. So we're going to add about 1/2 cup of some diced tomatoes. This is going to help add more juice and flavor to our dumplings, and it's honestly a great addition. Next, we're going to add some spring onions, about 1/2 cup. Next, we're going to add in some cilantro. Okay, I know 50% of you guys are going to hate this, so this is optional. But for the other 50% that love cilantro, me, we're gonna add this in. It adds really great aroma and depth to this dish, so I would highly recommend it if you like cilantro. But you know, the other people that don't like it, they won't even know, so you know, I would add it in. We're gonna add in about 1/2 onion. Just a white onion. You guys know I love my aromatics. Then we're going to add in some ginger to help give it a little bit of bite. And honestly, ginger makes the world go round. I absolutely love ginger. Next, we're gonna add some garlic, you know, the good stuff. So now that we have most of our ingredients in, let's move on to the spices. We're going to add some nutmeg, about 1/2 teaspoon of some nutmeg. Add in some turmeric powder. Turmeric helps to add nice color and flavor to our filling. It's also great for your gut as well. My dad swears by this stuff. Next, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of some Himalayan salt, duh. Moving on to the sauces. We're going to add some soy sauce in, about 1 tablespoon. And you want to add some sort of oil. So I like to add in sesame oil to give it a little bit more juice to it. About 2 tablespoons of some sesame oil. And then here's for the next secret, okay, everyone. We're going to add in some chicken fat. This chicken fat is rendered from when I was making Hainanese chicken. If you guys want to see how I made that Hainanese chicken, click the link above. This fat is liquid gold, okay? It is absolutely delicious in helping to flavor any sort of dish. And so I am going to add just a little bit of some chicken fat in here, about 1 tablespoon. Next, we're going to add in some chicken masala. Whenever I make curry, this is what I love to add in. And this is what we're going to add in to give us that distinct flavor. About 1 tablespoon. What else am I missing? Sugar, a little bit of sugar. Next, I'm going to add in about 1 teaspoon of just a little bit of sugar to add a little bit of sweetness into it. And we're going to mix it all up. Next, we're going to add in just a little bit of some chicken bouillon. I'm adding in all the good stuff today, but this is why you're going to have the most flavorful momos ever. Okay, then you're going to mix it all up. Let's move on to wrappers. You guys know these are my favorite wrappers ever. Wings, dumpling wrappers. Trust me when I say I have tried them all. I have tried probably at least 10 different types of dumpling wrappers, and these are always my go-to. I keep at least 5 of them in the fridge because these are just phenomenal. Yes, you can make dumpling wrappers at home, but you know, like, why work so hard when you can just purchase amazing dumpling wrappers, okay? We're going to start wrapping. Grab a heaping scoop of your dumpling mixture, and you want to lengthen it out grab your finger, dip it in some water. I just add a little bit of cornstarch to help it adhere a little bit better. Then we're going to make a beautiful braid. Okay, so what you're going to start with is your pointer finger, pinch it in, and you're going to pinch in both ends like that. And then you're going to bring it up together, pinch again the sides, and you're going to basically continue to lift this portion of the pinched end and fold it up and then fold both sides together. You will have some dumpling filling that comes out, and that's okay. What I like to do is just take out a little bit of it if it's too much, and then continue to do it. Pinch out the rest if there's too much, and you have yourself a beautiful braid. Okay, we're gonna do a couple little more. Okay, or an alternative way that you can also wrap your dumplings is in a circular style, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Grab your dumpling wrapper, grab a heaping spoon. If you guys wanna see me show all of my different styles of dumpling wrappers, comment below and we will make a video just for you guys. Grab your cornstarch, pop it around like that, and then you're going to take each side and you're going to fold, pinch, okay, fold, pinch, fold, pinch, fold, pinch, fold, pinch. Keep going around. So this is the classic technique of when you're making xiaolongbao. This is how they do it, and typically they try to get to like anywhere above, I think like 20 folds. It means that you are very, very good at making dumplings. So I can only get to probably like 14 or so. So clearly I still have a long ways to go. Yeah. It's like a little pocket. It's like a little gold pocket. Is my eyelash going off? Oh my god, my eyelash is coming off! Why didn't you tell me that? Oh my god, my eyelash is falling off. Don't show them, I'm so embarrassed. Back in business, baby. Better than ever. Got my full eyelash. I'm gonna wash my hands, okay? We're gonna start steaming. What we're going to do is get your induction stove going, have a pan ready, and you're going to use a steamer rack. I'm using my favorite handy dandy bamboo rack. If you guys wanna purchase this, the Amazon link is below. Gonna get this going. Steamer basket on. Going to take some oil and you're going to brush the bottom of it so that the dumplings don't stick. I'm gonna start with adding them in. Second layer. Cover, and we'll steam for 17 minutes. And now we're going to start on our Momo masala. This is also called a jar. So what we're going to be making is the sauce that goes with the momos. We are going to be using some tomatoes. We're going to roast them. We're also going to add in some fenugreek, a little bit of some Sichuan peppercorn for a little bit of tingle, some chili peppers, a little bit of some garlic, some salt, and some pepper. Okay, I wanted to say let's get started. What's another word for let's get started? Let's begin? No, let's just go to it. We're gonna add some oil into our pan. We're going to toast a red chili. Also going to toast a couple of some Sichuan peppercorns and about 6 to 8 or a nice pinch of some fenugreek. This will help really flavor our Momo chutney. So by adding all of these spices in here, these will help add lots of dimension to our chutney and it's going to be absolutely delicious. You're going to just cook that until it's slightly brown. And then we're going to add some tomatoes, about 1 big, large, juicy Roma tomato. And we're going to cook it down until it's nice, not as red, and then we're going to blend it. This makes me feel like a real chef when I do this. My wok, hey? Whoa, do you see that, yo? I didn't think I was gonna do that. Whew. You know, sometimes you just gotta believe in yourself, okay? Also going to add in some garlic, about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. And we're gonna toast this up until it's nice and aromatic, and then we're gonna blend it. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Okay, we're going to add some pepper, a generous amount. Add some salt in, about 1 teaspoon. And also add some brown sugar, about 1 tablespoon of some brown sugar. We're going to continue to cook it until the tomato starts to break down and get a little bit mushy and cozy. It smells fantastic. Also going to add a little bit more of that masala, probably about 1 tablespoon, and about 1/4 teaspoon of some turmeric. Ooh, it smells so good in here. Take it off the stove, add it into your little blender cup. We're just going to add just a little bit of some water to help loosen it. Add your lid on. Using my handy dandy Vitamix. Did you guys know that this engine is the same as a car? Blitz this baby. See, it only takes about 8 seconds, and look at that, it is done. This is absolutely phenomenal. Not only does it blend very well, but it's also so easy to clean. Do they make you want to buy one too? We're going to taste it. So good. I think we're ready. Let there be steam. Beautiful. Let's plate. Going to grab a dollop of your sauce, add it on, swipe it. Going to grab your dumplings, place it in the same direction. 1, 2, 1 more. My favorite thing in the world is to take Japanese Kewpie mayo, add a couple of dots, grab some cilantro. Here. Look at this. And there you have it. Easy, delicious Nepalese momos right at home. Shall we do a taste test? Grab your momo, dip it in that chutney. That is so good. It tastes like a dumpling, it feels like a dumpling, but it is so incredibly different. The flavors in here are packed full of spice. There's that, that cilantro, that tomato really comes through, that ginger and garlic. And then you pair it with this really inviting Momo Chutney that helps to round everything together, really help complement it even further and push it to the next flavor level. This is the reason why this is one of my favorite dishes ever, and you guys have to try it at home. Thank you so much to the Groom family for sharing their favorite recipe with me. It is dear to my heart, and I am so happy that I can share this recipe with you guys now. As always, full recipe details are below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification. As always, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell. That was really aggressive. As always, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, ring that notification bell so you guys don't miss a beat, because we drop videos every Saturday. So we will see you guys here next Saturday for another episode of Cooking with Chow with your favorite gal ever. Well, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next week. Ciao for now.